in our winter weather. Chris Spears, I don't know where to start with you. You've got so much fun weather stuff to deal with right now. Where do you begin?
I'm already exhausted, and the day is not even an hour old. So much to talk about. Temperatures, here's the first story. Very mild across the state this morning. We even have some 50s here in northeastern Colorado, 20s and 30s in the high country, and 40s and 50s on the western slope. John Beach in Cold Creek Canyon is 36 degrees. The storm is just making landfall. It'll be here in about 24 hours, and it's going to bring a very abrupt change to us as we roll into your Wednesday. We have wind alerts in effect today. This is a watch for tomorrow. This is an advisory on the western slope for today. So we are definitely going to have issues with wind today. Also a red flag warning for a good chunk of eastern Colorado. We are very worried about wildfires. We saw a few pop up yesterday. In fact, futurecast today, the clouds are going to increase with time. By tonight and early tomorrow, we'll see precip moving into the western half of the state. Very interesting. The cold front moves through Denver sometime around noon-ish tomorrow, and we're going to see some thunderstorms develop initially, then rain changing over to snow as we roll through the mid part of the afternoon and into the evening, and then it may snow off and on until Thursday morning. We have a ton of winter weather alerts in effect. Denver is now under a winter storm watch. All of northeastern Colorado. This is a blizzard warning in Nebraska, a winter storm warning in parts of our northwestern mountains. Before we look at snow totals, let me tell you, there's going to be initial melting of the snow, but if the snow falls fast enough, it will overcome the rate of melting. So kind of a wild card there. And then we add in the wind creating blowing snow. So a very tough snow total forecast. I'm going to show you the RPM model. It is a lighter model. It is not showing very heavy amounts. However, the North American model is giving 6 to 12 inches of snow in the Front Range urban corridor and the foothills. So this is going to be a typical storm. We'll be all over the place with totals, but the bottom line, high impact with much colder weather and a lot of wind on the way. 80s to near 90 today on the eastern plains. 81 would tie a record in Denver. 50s and even 60s in the high country, with 70s to near 80 over on the western slope. 5-day forecast, Andrea. There's the drop, 81 to 49, and that 49 happens early tomorrow. We'll be talking more about this blizzard throughout the morning.
Okay, looking forward to it. Thank you so much, Chris.